Something that we're focusing a lot on when planning out of home. It's moving beyond the traditional way of buying out of home, where you kind of preconceive the idea of where you want to serve. I've just onboarded a new telco client, specifically looking at their sort of eSIM product. But what the client was most interested in was kind of overlaying the out-of-home element on top of that. Audience reach percentage is the Trade Desk kind of out-of-home solution, whereby you plug in a specific audience of people that you want to target. It will measure the volume of uplift of people that fit that audience profile at a specific screen within a specific radius. The ARP solution is more a bit of a blank canvas within that geo from a location standpoint. Users that fit that behavioural demographic, like you want to be targeting them within that period. It's a very powerful solution and we absolutely love it.